The input selector knob of the Aiwa XA-003 hi-fi stereo amplifier attaches to a long plastic axle that operates the actual switch in the back of the unit. Ever since I got the amplifier, the knob had been somewhat crooked. Investigating this issue, I found that the part of the plastic axle that the knob slides onto had been broken off. The previous owners used plenty of glue to reconnect the two pieces, but did not take the time to get everything aligned properly. Also, the glue they used was not meant for this application. The joint turned out to be very weak when I broke the knob off the axle again with minimal effort. So another repair had to take place, but this time a proper and therefore more permanent one. In addition to the two broken plastic components, I found a 2.5 mm diameter fine thread screw and what is called a two-component glue, similar to epoxy glue. I used this glue for various different applications in the past, and it always gave very sturdy results. With a metal file, I removed the remains of the previous glue joints until I got some flat surfaces. Carefully making sure to align everything to be exactly square, I used the drill press at a high speed with a 2.5 mm drill bit to drill holes into both the axle and the selector knob. Next, I mixed a portion of the two-component glue. It neither does look nor smell very attractive, but it does the job. I also cut the head off the 2.5 mm screw. I smeared the glue all over the lower part of the screw, and then, while turning it, I slowly sank it into the hole in the plastic knob. The excess glue around the diameter of the screw has to be removed carefully. I gave the glue some time to set. The challenge when gluing the knob to the axle is getting everything aligned properly. The previous owner of the amplifier failed at this. I wanted to take no risk, so in quick succession, I again put glue onto the screw, carefully sank it into the hole I had drilled into the axle, and then reinstalled the whole assembly into the amplifier. Using the amp's faceplate as a reference, I could then adjust the glue joint to a perfect fit. The knob is now back on the axle, and it's never going to come off again. And equally important, it looks like nothing had ever happened. Thank you for watching.